Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and I am here with a pop-up taste test. Okay, so you know I like to try healthy things. I like to find new snacks, but every now and then there will be a product that is either so shocking or weird or bizarre or interesting that I want to try it, no matter if it's healthy or not. Today, the product that I have located is Jenny's ice cream in everything bagel flavor. Okay, when I saw this, I thought, well, this sounds really disgusting. And are they just doing this? I don't know, to make some kind of weird point or to shock people. But this is cream cheese ice cream with everything bagel gravel. Everything bagel gravel. And if you want to hear how they describe this ice cream, I will read this to you. There are rare moments when we create a flavor so shockingly good, the Jenny's Test Kitchen looks like a soundless rave. We can't help but dance, shimmy, feel the flavor in our bones. This is one of those ice creams. A soul-shaking, dancing with no music kind of delicious, buttery streusel laden with sesame, poppy seeds, and yes, onions and garlic, smeared throughout subtly sweet cream cheese ice cream. Give yourself room to enjoy this one, Jenny. That's crazy. Who writes that copy? That is like a large promise, but I'm a little scared to try this ice cream, not only because this pint has 990 calories, and not only because each serving has 19 grams of fat, but just because onion, garlic, poppy seed, ice cream. I like the cream cheese part. So far, I don't see any everything bagel gravel. Where is this gravel? Hold on. Oops. I'm going to find the gravel because without the gravel, it's just like cream cheese ice cream. So where's the gravel? Am I being schnockered here? Is that even a word? Wow. You know, I would never elect to eat this. It's not disgusting. It's like, imagine you were somewhere eating an everything bagel for breakfast and someone dropped a scoop of vanilla ice cream on it and you still took a bite. It wouldn't be awful, but I'm giving this a big thumbs down. Sorry, Jenny. I'm not dancing. All right. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.